comfort is sitting, watching TV, 'di ba? Parang having a vacation,
Mm.
you know. Before walang ganun. When we sit, we don't have chairs. We squat. Let's repeat the masculine mistake that if we achieve something, a level of wealth or status, our woman will get easier. No, they won't.
Yeah.
It never ends. The woman always wants us to be the divine masculine.
What men are actually looking for is to find peace, calmness during the battle, during the tussle
Yeah.
of life.
A woman was made to actually help the man grow. Yeah, it's meant for you to not to weaken you, but to make you stronger. Yun yung hindi natin naintindihan as modern men right now. So when a woman starts complaining, when a woman tries to distract them, they see it as an annoyance instead of a challenge.
Right.
They don't see it as a notification to get better.
I had a month of quietness, and that's when I started to feel like, parang nagtatremble na yung hands ko. Parang drugs yun eh. Like, what am I doing, man? What am I doing? I'm just sitting here playing PlayStation 4. Wala pang PS5 nun. Playing PlayStation 4. And I'm getting fatter and fatter. So you know what I did?
Morning, bro.
Morning.
Welcome back to the First Step Podcast, no? Dito pag-uusapan na natin ulit, no, values and philosophy. And now we will discuss one of the most interesting books that I ever read, The Way of the Superior Man, that has changed my life, and I think a lot of men, young men, should be able to read it. So we will discuss two things here, very interesting topics that is deeply challenges the masculine man. The first one is the error that most men make, that the error of thinking that one day it will be done after we, for example, achieve something, we can rest. That's one of the issues that we will discuss today. And another thing is that matindi to. Stop hoping your woman to get easier. So these are two ideas that crush the modern man's illusions, lalo na ngayong era of liberalism and sometimes these crazy woke ideologies, that one day life will be easy and one day your woman will stop testing you. What do you think, bro?
Exactly, bro. The truth is, it will never end.
Yeah.
Life will continue throwing you challenges. It will keep testing you. And so does love, right? Your partner, your woman. The question is, are you growing through it, or are you running away from it? But bro, let's start with the first truth, that say it will be done. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Many people think that, many men think that once they achieve something, they fall into the illusion that life will stop throwing them challenges. But that is not true, bro. That's not the truth. So may tanong ako sa'yo. I have a question for you. Why do you think men today still fall for that illusion, that once they hit their goals, they can finally rest?
Well, because it's very tiring sometimes to work, bro. It's very exhausting once you achieve your goal. You exert all your effort, no? You exert everything, no? Your life, you dedicate your life, your time, no, in achieving that goal. And after that, pag na-achieve mo na, makakapagano na ako, makakapagpahinga na ako. Pero actually, no. There will be another journey after that one. It's like after climbing one mountain, you'll see another mountain. I will climb that other mountain also. The problem is we think that our goal is the ultimate goal, no? But in reality, our purpose really is to discover and live our highest truth. So that is a constant search, that is a constant living of our life. Otherwise, bro, why are you still living? 'Di ba, retired na kaagad?
Hmm.
No, might as well be dead if you stop, no, growing.
Yeah, you must continue finding your purpose as a
Yeah.
man, right?
Mm-mm.
You know, have you ever experienced this, bro?
Mm.
In your business, you achieved something, and then once you achieved it, say you made good deals, business, and suddenly you felt like, yo, what's next? You know,
Yeah.
what's next? Ano ba? I've already achieved my goal. Why is it
Mhm.
that I still feel empty? So,
Mhm.
bro, itong ano na to, this feeling that we feel, right?
Mm.
Is it because the masculine need to pursue mission, or does the masculine look for comfort? Ano sa tingin mo?
Bro, the masculine grows through challenge.
Hmm.
Diba? Sabi nga dito sa ano sa we just realize it no na parang it's funny that masculine men are not meant to relax. I think we
Hmm.
have evolved into something into for hundreds of thousands of years to constantly do something. In when we finally reach our goals or achieve something, we become uneasy. In this book, actually, it's teaching us to embrace nothingness, embrace
Hmm.
the vacancy, and meditate upon it, and wait for a vision to finally arrive to you and push forward for the next goal. So
Hmm.
ganyan yan, parang just being patient and wait for the vision and not to be uneasy all the time. Ikaw,
Hmm.
bro, what do you think about that?
Uh, what I said earlier was a personal feeling that I have. You know,
Mm,
I I work in the finance industry, and in the finance industry, we have goals like, for example, $1 million round table, and all that.
mm,
But you know what? This year, I achieved $1 million round table within 4 months. April pa lang na-achieve ko na yun. Now, most people will think that, wow, Rigo, you've done that. You can rest the whole year already.
yeah.
Actually, somebody has told me that before. Rigo,
Uh-oh.
pwede ka na magpahinga. MDRT ka na.
Uh,
I was thinking, I've been achieving this since 2022 consistently.
mm,
And to me, that is just an achievement, right? Yes, it does speak much. It does speak something about my quality of work. But the thing is, what's next? Should I just start lazing around just because I've achieved that? I've achieved
mm,
the monetary goal that that the industry has set for me, bro. Take note of
yeah, yeah.
that. Yeah. Should I stop that, or should I create my uh, create my own targets for myself, right?
Yeah.
Or rather, I would use the word purpose. So,
Yes.
see, bro, as a man, right? We we have this itch where parang ano na next? What should I do? Ano bang next mission ko? We often find ourselves sometimes, okay, tapos na yung activities ko for the day. What's the next thing? Okay, sige na nga,
Mm,
I'll go and wash my car. Sige na nga, I'll read a book. Sige na nga, I'll I'll just do something. I'll just do an errand. You see, that
mm,
is a constant search of purpose. Now, in a bigger scale of things, right? Bigger scale of things. If ikaw meron kang business, or meron kang business at na-achieve mo na yung gusto mo ma-achieve, for us men to consistently grow, we have to keep looking for the next new mission that we want to finish. You
mm.
see, do you agree with that? What's your experience, bro, in terms of like businesses? Pag na-hit mo na yung milestone mo, do you sometimes feel like, okay, magre-relax na ako, or do you rather look for new things to do?
Well, before I had the mistake of constantly doing things, and then I realized that I need to keep my time, quote unquote, silent for a while so that I can see and introspect, what will be my next purpose. Kasi sometimes nawawala tayo eh. It's a
Mm.
period of it's a period of nothingness. I experienced that especially during the pandemic. Have you experienced that during the pandemic? During the pandemic, biglang wala eh. 'Di ba?
Mm.
Walang eskwelahan, clients are not, our usual clients did not subscribe, for example.
Mm.
Our yung mga dati kong prospects, for example, our meetings hindi natuloy because of the pandemic. It halted
Mm.
everything. So during
Mm.
that time, during the pandemic, bro, it taught me how to be silent, how to wait, how to be patient. Kasi as men, no, we were trained to achieve. We were trained to not settle down. We were trained to do the tasks. Sabi mo nga, pag walang ginagawa, maghanap ka ng gagawin mo. Pero during
Mm.
the pandemic, we were forced to
Mm.
stay still, which is actually has helped me. Sabi ko, there are periods of nothingness where I just need to be patient. I need to think, what is my next purpose? So doon
Mm.
naturuan akong mag-settle down. And eventually, it has helped me to relax and a bit slow down. But after that one, I understood what that meant before was to teach me to appreciate the slowness and the beauty of silence also.
Uh, During the pandemic, I had a halt in my business then. Back then, I was in
Ah,
the insurance
mm,
industry and walang meetings, nothing. But you know what, bro? I had a month of quietness, and that's when I started to feel like, parang nagtatremble na
mahirap,
yung
no?
hands ko. Parang drugs yun eh. Like,
Oo.
what am I doing, man?
Yeah,
What
yeah,
am I
yeah.
doing? I'm just sitting here playing PlayStation 4. Wala pang PS5 nun. Playing
Mm,
PlayStation 4. And, putik, I'm getting fatter and fatter. So you know what I did?
mm,
Man, I I started to teach boxing.
nice.
So me and my
See,
friend, yeah, yeah,
you had
we
1 month of vacancy.
correct. Me and my friend, we open kami ng boxing gym somewhere in the city. Na because we had this restriction na you can only have one visitor per at a time.
Mm,
So we had a studio, and then we trained people one on one. So it became a purpose then to help people. Everybody was jogging. Was suddenly so physically active because they were so bored. They weren't going to the office, and everyone was running. So we saw the market like, hey,
mm,
those people bored. Most of them probably don't jog during their normal days. Why not? You know, we give them something else to do because they're so bored. Let's teach them boxing. So doon na nag-start yung yung isang side business namin dati na nagtuturo ng boxing. Yeah. But you see, bro, it brings us back, bro. Na I realized na most men don't really pursue the peace or the relaxation after the battle. You know
yeah.
what we're looking for actually. Ito, I would reword this. What men are actually looking for is to find peace, calmness during the battle, during the tussle
Yeah.
of life. You know,
Hmm.
do you agree with that?
Yes, yes. Being in the battle, actually, parang you should find peace in it eh. Kasi sabi
Mm.
ka, the tussle never stops. Playing never
Mm.
stops. No, it's never going to end. It's not like parang after you do this, my wife will not complain anymore,
Mm.
will not be bitchy, 'di ba?
Mm.
There are things are like that. If I do this, if I earn this kind of money, hindi na
Mm.
magrereklamo yung partner ko, etc. Pero it
Mm.
never ends, no? There will
Mm.
be another challenge that will keep us on our toes and help us to grow in our masculine essence. So I
Mm.
think that is our nature. That is our destiny as masculine men.
Mm. Yeah, I agree,
Yeah.
bro. But then again, with these with the current state of masculinity, a lot of men
Mm,
are becoming lazier, in my opinion. And um, we're talking about purpose here and mission. You know,
mm,
many men nowadays don't even know what their purpose is. You know, they're just living through life like NPCs. You know, non-playable characters. You know, as
mm,
it's a gaming world. They're living like NPCs, and in fact, in their hearts, they know that they are built for something that is greater than themselves. But you know what, bro?
yeah.
Sabi ni Data,
Oh,
most postponements are excuses of lack of creative discipline.
wow.
Yes.
Bigat.
Anong opinion mo doon?
You just don't know how to execute your purpose. You don't
Mm-mm.
have that creativity. You use your family as an excuse, for example. You use your job as an excuse. No, sabi niya, hindi. You're just lacking creative discipline. Di
Mm-mm.
ba? You
Mm-mm.
just don't want to parang think of ways to be able to pursue your goals, your real authentic goals. Di ba nga
Mm-mm.
may kasabihan na when there's a will, there's a way. 'Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Look at ano, let's look at Elon Musk for example. Elon Musk has like a huge family, but
Mm.
he's the wealthiest in the world.
How
He
many
has
kids does he
Tesla.
have, bro?
I don't know. Bro, ang dami siguro diyan. More than 10, I think. Maybe
How many
20 or more.
kids does Elon Musk have? Ayun agad yung binigay sa akin ni Google Pre. Six. He has 6 kids.
Most postponements are excuses for a lack of creative discipline. What does that mean? If you will see, as an example, Elon Musk who has Tesla, who has SpaceX, who has like, ano pa bang business niya? Ang dami. Di ba? Meron
Mm.
siyang X, which is formerly Twitter.
Mm.
Um, ang dami. And then he has a family, he has a government work, he helped Donald Trump with Department of Government Efficiency. So, if you look at Elon Musk, what is your excuse of not, of not
Starting.
doing your authentic goals and mission?
Mm. Mm.
So in other words, sinasabi niya hindi kulang ka lang sa authentic creative discipline to be able to finally pursue your goal.
Yeah, yeah. Bro, personally, what's one thing that you did or finally
Mm.
had started even when conditions weren't perfect? Talk about my legal whiz, bro. You know, your story is inspiring, pre.
Mm. Yeah. Uh, alam mo, we have a different situation eh, kasi I don't have
Mm.
kids. No,
Mm.
so I have a lot of free time. I was able to do a lot of things. No, I started, this one, no, the First Step podcast. I play chess, which takes a lot of time. No,
Mm.
pang retiree ang chess eh. Kasi it
Yeah.
takes you a lot of time to study it. Eh. It's not like you can play good chess when you're doing a lot of things for example, in your business. But I was able to do that. Um, what I did is really prioritization. 'Di ba?
Mm.
You prioritize what are the things that matters to you. In my case, if it matters to me to study, for example, chess, 'di ba? I will dedicate time for it, no, kanya-kanya. But what matters to me is creating something like an artificially intelligent system like Leia together with my team, 'di ba? I will do it. I will prioritize it. And then other things will be scheduled differently, no, adjustment
Mm.
lang, that is the creative way of doing things. Ikaw on your end, paano mo ginagawa?
Well, kasi, bro, I'll be honest with you, I'm a heavy procrastinator, bro. And uh, and I think the root cause of that is, this may sound mayabang, but I I I have this inner belief that I can get things done, right? No matter what, which then results to my procrastination.
Mm,
So I'm like, Like dati sa school pare, when I was in college, man. Uh, I was in mass communication, and the walang exams dito sa mass comm. You gotta have to
Mm,
write a thesis, right? And this was in 2012, 2013 ata yun, or 14, I don't know, many years back.
mm.
And hindi ko sinimulan yung thesis ko 1 week before the submission, right? And you know what I did? Bro, I went to Fiverr and hired someone to do it for me.
Work
Then
is smart.
yeah, which works, you know? So parang actually entrepreneurship yun eh, you know, you delegate, you know, so you can focus on other things because back then I was too busy with boxing. You know, that's my purpose back then, to win medals. Then
Yeah.
the studies is just on the side. You know, okay, I'll delegate this task to someone. You know, but I want to tell that person what is it that I wanna say in my thesis, right? But then again, going back to being a procrastinator, I think this is a weakness of most men. Now, when you wanna do something, you just gotta do it. Okay, like for example, 2020, 'di ba? I came from captive agency. You know, I came from captive agency insurance, and then
Mm.
I started to realize now, okay, if I want to push things further in finance, I have to get more certifications to be, you know, to finally offer platforms that you know I couldn't offer before. But you see, when I was in that in my previous company, I was I I was actually making pretty well, right? I would consider myself as successful in there, but I needed more, you know. I want to give more value. So right away,
Mm.
pre, go of my recurring commissions and let go of it to start again from zero, because I know that on the other side, it's gonna be more beneficial to my clients. It's also gonna be more profitable to me. Now, 5 years later, here I am today. You know. So, bro, dun sa mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon, right? Paano mo sa tingin mo, how do you think they can begin living with purpose today? Even if they've
Yeah.
got jobs, busy, my bills, my family responsibility, how do you think na ang karaniwang lalaki, or just I wouldn't say karaniwan, right? Our listeners who aspire to be masculine as well, how do you think they can start living their purpose today, and how do you think they can find purpose today?
Bro, you just need to decide right now. As masculine men, you need to be decisive to do the things that you love. Even if
Mm,
sabi nga ni David Data, a lot like 1 hour a day to do the things that you are postponing.
mm,
1 hour lang, so that you are not drowned by distractions. Usually kasi ang mga tao ngayon, they have jobs that they don't like, 'di ba? And
mm,
then they don't the jobs or the things that they need to do are relegated to the side, no? They are postponed, sabi nga. Pero
mm,
sabi nga, ang suggestion ni David Data dito sa libro, at least provide at least 1 hour to do the things that you are postponing. Just do it. Just start it. Just start it.
mm,
And then
mm,
prioritize.
mm,
Prioritize brutally, so that you'll be able to slowly pursue your goals and purpose.
mm,
And
mm,
bro, just going back to your point kanina about procrastination. You know what Bill Gates said, na parang I want to hire people who are lazy but smart.
mm, mm.
You know why? Because
Why?
a smart person who is lazy will look for ways to make everything efficient.
Mm,
'Di ba? They are the ones who will invent automation. For example,
mm,
tingin mo yung mga nag-imbento ng artificial intelligence system are really people who want to do it like manually, like
mm,
everything they need to check everything. Gusto nilang ginagawa without delegations. The people who invented who started the artificially intelligent system are people who want to make everything efficient because they
Mm,
don't want to do it by themselves. 'Di ba? Ganun
mm,
ang ano AI ngayon. So, I agree with what you were doing. Actually,
mm,
I'm fascinated over it kasi nga I'm also like that, no? Na parang okay, how can I make myself free in order for me to do the things that I really love? So
mm.
delegate things.
There's one thing that I realized, bro, about
Mm.
this procrastination. You know, someone's procrastination is someone's business.
Yep, you're creating opportunity.
Yes, it's someone's business. But I wouldn't see it as anything negative, but rather I would
Mm.
see it as an opportunity for people to exchange value.
Mm.
Kuwari, oh, ito, ang gandang explanation ito sa atin pa to, sa circle natin to. Okay. For example, ikaw, ako, hindi tayo makapag-isip about sa social media, hindi tayo makapag-edit ng video. Who do we go to?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
outsource it
we outsource, you know?
to those who are
We
experts,
to those
to
who are
those who
expert.
love it, do
Yes.
love doing it.
And exactly. And they make business out of it. O,
Mm-hmm.
kuwari ako, sa example ko, people who are not savvy sa technicalities ng global market, global
Yeah,
investments. Sino yung in-outsource nila? Ako, I make business.
exactly.
O, dun sa mga may problema sa legal, may legal
Yes,
issue. Who do they
they
go to?
outsource it.
My legal Luis, ikaw. You see?
Correct.
And it becomes an ecosystem of everyone growing together.
Mm-hmm.
That is very masculine, pre. An
Yeah,
exchange of values. Man.
exactly. Good point.
man. So, ayun nga. But although that's the case, diba? Although that's the case, let's go back to to life being an ending cycle of challenge for men, and it will never end. I think men should realize na, yo, don't aspire for comfort na eventually. Because
Mm.
aspiring for comfort, it takes you away from your purpose. In my
Mm.
opinion, don't aspire for comfort because that is not where you as a man will end up.
Yes, yes.
You will
Actually,
never end. Yeah.
actually, we're not built for comfort.
Mm.
That's 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 a fact because for hundreds of thousands of years, no, we were hunters and gatherers. No? As
Mm.
hunters, we walk a lot. We're not meant to sit. Comfort is sitting, watching TV, 'di ba? Parang having a vacation.
Mm.
You know, before walang ganun. When we sit, we don't have chairs. We squat. Do we
Mm.
still squat right now? We squat, bro.
Yeah.
Naka-squat tayo, tapos tatayo, and then tatakbo, maglalakad, and then we will hunt. We've been doing this for hundreds of thousands of years, if not millions. Ngayon lang modern world na parang ito, everything is provided. You you buy something, you don't need to go out. You just need to
Mm.
call Amazon. So,
Mm.
there's a comfort crisis right now, and we should. It's good to have comfort once in a while, but it shouldn't be the main thing in our lives. So,
Mm.
hindi yun ang ano natin, hindi yung end goal natin na every one of us will be sitting and lying down, because we are not meant to do that. Ngayon, bro, I want to move to something related also. Kasi
Okay.
we're talking about our life and businesses and our goals. How do you relate this to our partners, to our girlfriends, to our wives? No?
Huh.
'Di ba usually our goal is, sige, pag nagawa na natin 'to, nabili natin itong bahay na 'to, itong kotse na 'to, itong vacation na dream yung mag-asawa or ng family, your wife will stop complaining. Do you agree?
No, I don't agree, bro. Not okay. This topic is connected to our topic earlier, that life is a consistent tussle, consistent challenge, right? Now, many men think that once na once na they manage to give something to their wife. Oh, hey babe, ito na. Finally, I bought us a house.
Mm.
Men think na yung wife nila or their partner will start, behaving the way they want them to behave. You know,
Yeah.
sabi nga ni David Data, bro, stop hoping that your woman will get easier. Di ba?
Correct.
Explain mo nga sa mga viewers, bro, what that means.
Bro, just ang ganda ng sinabi ni David Data dito. You want me to read it? So,
Sige.
very nice, no? Sabi dito, a woman often seems to test her man's capacity to remain unperturbed,
Mm.
undisturbed in his truth and purpose. She tests him to feel his freedom and depth of love, to know that he is trustable. Her tests may come in the form of complaining, challenging him, changing her mind, doubting him, distracting him, and even undermining his purpose in a subtle or not so subtle way. A man should
Mm.
never think woman's testing is going to end and his life will get easier. Rather,
Mm.
he should appreciate that she does these things to feel his strength, integrity, and openness. Her desire is for his deepest truth and love. As he grows, so will her testing.
Wow. Bro, you know what I understood about it?
What do you think?
What I understood about it is our wives make noise not because they hate us, all right? Not
Yeah.
because they dislike you or they are
Mm.
uh it's not because they they are not content, with
Mm.
what you can provide. They actually make noise to test whether you are still the same man of purpose, man of tussle, in spite of the comfort that you've
Yeah.
achieved. Because to them, once you achieve comfort or once you achieve your goals, you become comfortable. And they start to
Yeah.
maybe feel that, okay, comfortable na tong asawa ko. Baka manghina na siya. You
Mm.
know? How can I feel
Exactly.
secure? How can I feel
Mm-hmm.
protected? How can I feel like how can I feel provided? Paano kung may mga bata, tapos yung asawa ko, naging soft na kasi wala nang challenge. So
Yeah.
women, they subconsciously challenge us men, regardless whether millionaire ka, billionaire ka,
Mm.
whatever achievement you have, your woman will keep challenging you because she needs um that assurance that you are still the same strong man that she married.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, now, um, this doesn't mean that she hates you or she loves you. You know, it's actually, in a man's perspective, many men will think that, okay, ayaw sa akin ito, she hates me. But the truth is, bro, to me personally, I see that as a notification to make myself better because your woman wants to see you in your best shape, in your
Yeah.
best masculinity forward. So they will keep
Yeah.
challenging you. And then that's not out of hate, Yun nga sabi nga nila, sabi ni David dito dun sa libro, you know, you have to be Shiva, right? Shiva.
Yeah.
Your
The
woman wants
divine
you to be
masculine.
exactly the divine masculine. That's what she wants to see from you. Calm, immovable, loving, you know?
Mm.
Bro, tanungin kita. Sa sa mga sa mga lalaki ngayon during this modern age, bro, why do you think we hear a lot of complaints about women from
Mm.
men nowadays? Do you think it's because they do not understand the nature of women, or do you think that they feel that they're just hated? The society has put them in a position that they have to be weak. They can't be strong. They cannot bring out the most um, masculine essence, of
Mm.
themselves. What do you think?
Bro, there's a knowledge gap right now. Like
Okay.
majority of men don't know or parang nawala na sila sa nature nila of men and of us as masculine men. Kasi because of the modern day feminism and woke ideology na distract yung mga
Mm.
tao eh. Na distract
Mm.
yung mga lalaki from their nature, their real
Mm.
nature. So when a woman starts complaining, when a woman tries to distract them, they see it as an annoyance instead of a challenge.
Mm. Right.
They don't see it as a notification to get better. No,
Yes.
I agree with you kasi a woman was made to actually help the man grow. Diba? In
Mm.
the Bible, Adam and Eve, no,
Mm. Samson and Delilah. O, tingnan mo, laging yung
Samson
woman
and
yung...
Delilah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's meant for you to not to weaken you, but to make you stronger.
Oh.
Yun yung hindi natin naintindihan as modern men right now, no. Although
Mm.
us, because of David Data's teachings and of the way of the superior man, we were taught that no, this is actually the way for us to grow, to be
Mm.
real masculine men constantly. Kaya nga
Mm.
sabi niya, a woman tests you, complains, distracts you from your purpose, not to actually weaken you, but to make you grow stronger. Kasi
Mm.
as women want security. For hundreds of thousands of years, balik tayo, no? They rely on men for survival. They rely on men to protect them. And then
Mm.
in exchange, they will be a great companion, nurturing wife for their children, for example. So that is the exchange. That is the role of each
Mm.
men and women. So ngayon sa modern times, hindi nawala 'yon kahit na modern times na tayo. Kasi ano ba yung modern times? More than 100 years pa lang eh,
Mm.
'di ba?
Mm.
Or even less.
Yeah.
So ganun na nangyayari kaya yung mga lalaki right now, they have that knowledge gap. They don't know actually, they haven't uh you know introspected and understood their real nature as masculine men.
Mm. Mm. Yeah. And many men nowadays, of course, I hear other men complaining, right? They they say things like, "Ano ba yan? Ang gulo ng asawa ko. Hindi ko
Mm,
maintindihan. Ano ba talaga yung gusto nito? What does she actually want?" You
yeah.
see, to me, the feminine, according to data, di ba, see, the feminine always seems chaotic and
Yeah.
complicated from our perspective. Akala natin
Yes.
magulo lang sila. May toyo, yung gano'n. Pero hindi to yung toyo, pare. Yung pag sinabi may toyo, I don't think that's true. That's just their nature, right? How
Yes,
do
it's
you
their
think?
nature.
Yes, yes. How do you think should men deal with that chaos instead of trying to fix it? Kasi sabi nila pag tinry mo, if you try to fix the feminine, you stop being masculine. What do you think about it?
Bro, if you understand women, if you understand their nature, you'll be able to deal with them. How? You don't argue with them. And
Mm.
arguing is about logic eh. Women come from
Mm.
emotions, come from their emotions. So when you try to argue with them, no, you should not think about that. We have a comfortable life. Already dated you last week. 'Di ba? Binigay ko na lahat sa iyo. Those are
Mm.
logical things. Pero your woman comes from the place of emotions. Comes from a place that parang, I was hurt because you did this. I was hurt because you didn't honor your word. So,
Mm.
it's like, no, your past doesn't matter. Your achievement doesn't matter. I want you to always be the Shiva, the divine
Mm.
masculine. Bro, good thing that you brought that one kasi I want to show you this video of Ayesha Curry
Hi, Steph Curry.
kay Steph Curry. Let's listen to this let's analyze this video and see kung ano yung nature ng man and woman and how should Steph Curry deal with this kind of a
Mm.
situation. This curveball. Share ko.
Yep.
Okay, let's play it. Pull natin. Yan.
Yeah. Go.
Go.
Knew you wanted a big family?
No. So I didn't want kids. I didn't want to get married. I thought I was going to be career girl and that's it. And I had my eyes set on my goals and I was never the little girl that like dreamt about the wedding dress and all of that. And then it happened so early in my life. So it's like it's one of those things you actually don't know what you want.
It's so hard also to be the woman in a situation where you're like, men just don't get as much scrutiny. Like they can maybe tell him like your fucking shots suck tonight, but like the looks and all of that is just like not a factor of conversation as much.
No.
Did you talk to Steph about it? Like, or did you kind of keep it within yourself so it didn't?
I do not have a bone in my body that can keep anything to myself. So if it comes to mind, it's coming out. And he's so gracious. Like he tries to resonate with me, but he just can't. And he also comes from a place of like effing stupid. Like it's not true, so why are you? And I'm like, but wait, like listen to how it makes me feel. And he's like, but why does it make you feel like that? It's not real. After we got married, we found out we were pregnant with our daughter so quickly. I didn't even have time to think about what I wanted anymore. It's so interesting. I spent my entire life like trying to work towards something and then it kind of just disappeared and I didn't think twice about it. But after my daughter turned 1, I remember there being a shift and being like, I have goals for myself. Like this doesn't feel right. I love being a mom, but I love doing other things too. And I need to get my shit together and figure out what that looks like for myself now.
Oh,
Man.
what do you think? What do you think is the, the same feminine behavior? But what do you think about it?
Yes. Bro, it doesn't matter. No matter what achievements you have, right? The feminine nature just don't care about it. What she cares about is what she feels, what it makes her feel. To me, according based on the way of the superior man, I guess Steph Curry wasn't hitting the right spot, man. He probably nagla si Steph Curry na okay, ako na yung one of the best basketball players of this time. I think my wife will just listen to me, or won't even will forget about everything else. Kasi ito na eh. I'm providing everything na eh. So what else should
That's
I
a
worry?
masculine mistake.
Yes, that's a masculine mistake. Thinking that your achievements, the money that you've got, will solve the problems of the feminine, right? So what actually men should do, bro, is it's good. Yeah, Steph Curry has got his thing going on. He achieves his goals, his purpose, but at the same time, I think what he should do is still, help Ayesha Curry address not help but rather address Ayesha Curry's feminine needs. Siguro si Steph Curry he didn't have time to spend quality time with her. Siguro Ayesha Curry simply just felt abandoned, although she said that she wants other things, right? Sabi niya, 'di ba? I've got other things going on, right? That's what she wants. But actually I think that that's not the real underlying issue there. The underlying issue is maybe Steph Curry didn't spend some time with Ayesha Curry. She didn't feel like he's the Shiva because just out of control, man. You know what I mean? Ikaw, anong feeling dun?
Well, bro, again, let's repeat the masculine mistake that if we achieve something, a level of wealth or status, our woman will get easier. No, they won't.
Yeah.
It never ends. Well, the woman always wants us to be the divine masculine, the
Mm.
divine masculine ideal, which is Shiva. Yan yung sinabi ni David Data,
Data.
which is great, no? It doesn't matter if you're a global icon in basketball, if you are a multi-billionaire, no? Otherwise, 'di ba, hindi na siguro iniwan ni Melinda Gates si Bill Gates, 'di ba?
Mm.
Or hindi
Yeah,
na naghiwalay
exactly.
si Jeff Bezos at saka yung asawa niya, 'di ba?
Exactly.
So or si Brad Pitt at saka si Angelina Jolie.
Oh, di ba? Putik. Brad Pitt, bro. Brad Pitt. Oh.
So the point here is uh a lot of men don't understand women. In the case of Ayesha Curry, I think Steph Curry failed to listen to her.
Mm.
Nakita mo yung sabi niya, that's fucking stupid. Why are you thinking that way? That's how I make, sabi ni Ayesha Curry, that's how it makes me feel.
Mm.
And then Steph Curry, nirelay ni sinabi ni Ayesha Curry mismo, sabi ni Steph Curry, why does that make you feel that way? Again, it's logic eh. Kasi
Logical na naman.
yung at the point of view of a man, logic tayo nagsisimula eh. Bakit mo nafe-feel yung ganyan? 4 yung anak natin, 3 or 4 yung anak natin, mayaman ako, I'm a global icon, I'm famous, etc. You should be grateful. Logically, di ba? Logically, you should be grateful na ikaw ang
Correct.
asawa ko. Maraming babae na may gusto sa akin. So, that's coming from a man's point of view. Pero a woman's point of view, if you understand women, their point of view is coming from their present moment, their present emotion. Ito yung
Yes.
nafe-feel ko ngayon eh. Pakinggan mo muna ako. So, tayo mismo, we should not argue with women. Kasi if we argue with women, we lose. Whether we
Yeah.
win the argument or we lose the argument, both are lost. Kasi they don't come from the rational ground eh. They come from emotions. Like for example, pakinggan mo lang ako and then eventually you don't need to solve their problems. Bro,
Yeah.
alam mo, pakinggan mo lang sila. Yeah, how does that make you feel? Tapos, hawakan mo, kandungin mo, 'di ba? Hug mo. Sige, what's in your heart? Let me understand. Oh, really? That's how you feel? You know, I understand that because before I heard that also from you and I also felt about that one. Just relay on it and then eventually it may take some time until oh, thank you for listening to me. I love you, etc. Tapos.
Yeah. Wow, bro.
Pero, bro,
What do you
I
think? Ano?
yeah. Hindi, bro, tapusin ko lang. The problem with busy men, they don't want to put with that shit. 'Di ba? Kunyari, exactly, 'di
Yes,
ba? Tayo, we're busy. Shit. Oo, gusto kitang pakinggan pero may practice ako, meron akong meeting mamaya. I don't want to have time for this. 'Yun yung problema ng lalaki.
Yeah.
Tama?
Correct. Tama. Totoo yan. Highly agree. Ay, nako. Pero yeah,
Yes,
that's
sabi,
true,
bro.
bro. Kasi we really have to put time in it. Eh. You know, after all, you know, there are partners, and
Yes.
the way we deal with them is different from how we deal with our brothers. Now, bro, let's say you've achieved Shiva, right? You've achieved Shiva. What happens when a man passes this test? O kunwari, nagreklamo yung babae, and then you did it the right way, bro. You did it the right way. You just listened. You didn't shoot logic to her.
Yeah.
How does that transform the relationship?
Well, it becomes a harmonious, peaceful relationship if you know how to deal
Yeah.
with those, diba? With those things. The woman will test you again. Tama ba? Na parang, parang ang ganda nun na. Parang I felt your strength. I want to feel it again. And then she will test you again. It never ends. That's why you need to also be constantly learning and getting stronger. Ano, mahirap ba?
Wow. Madali lang, pre, actually. Madali lang. You just have to be aware all the time. Which brings us to real life situation, bro.
Yes,
see,
yes.
you can connect the pieces together. Life is like that. As a man, you have to be inconsistent. You should always be aware, self-aware. You should always be uh, searching for purpose, searching for you know you 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 should never hope that life will forever stop challenging you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the test never ends. And that's not a curse. Hindi siya masamang bagay. It's
Mm-mm.
actually proof na nakikita pa rin ng asawa mo, if we're talking about your partner, that you have potential in life. So, na-realize ko, bro, when my wife makes noise, on a positive note, it means that she knows that I can still grow. And
Yes.
then if I go along with it, eventually I will find myself getting better. Even yung
Mm.
mga simpleng bagay na naiwan mo yung shorts mo sa sahig, right?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
As a grown man, bro, or many men would say, ba yan, it's just a shorts on the floor. Why
Mm-mm.
is that a big thing for you? Why can't you just pick it up for me? And no, the truth is, as a man, if you're really that perfect, you should also be able to take care of that short. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
that's how it is, bro. Yeah. So whether it's business, family, or relationship, right? The theme is the same. It never ends, pare. It
It never
never
ends.
ends. Yeah. My question also, bro.
Oh.
Okay. Ito personal level na to.
Mm.
What How do you keep yourself on your toes in terms of handling life, the never-ending life tussle challenges, and the challenges that your wife gives you?
Yeah.
What is that you consistently think of? How do you keep yourself self-aware so that you don't find yourself lacking?
Bro, I constantly learn and read a lot so that I can also always itong libro ni David Deida, The Way of the Superior Man, I've read it like maybe 10 times.
Hmm.
Just for me to retain what's in it and embody it.
Hmm.
I always make mistakes. Sometimes when my wife parang tries to challenge me about a certain idea, or she wants to share an emotional experience or parang frustration niya sa akin, I sometimes catch myself arguing with her. I
Hmm.
make mistakes all the time. Arguing with her, and then I catch myself, oh, okay, women doesn't come from reason or logic. So
Hmm.
just need to listen first. Listen first and understand what she's talking about, just like what Steph Curry failed to do to Ayesha Curry. Nagkabali si Steph doon.
Yeah.
Na inano niya kaagad binrush niya kaagad, bro eh. Ang sabi ni Steph Curry sa asawa niya, why are you thinking like that? That's fucking stupid. 'Di ba? Kasi it's logic for a man. That is the wrong way to go to a woman. You need to let them share their emotions first, their frustrations, listen to them and understand them. You
Hmm.
cannot argue with them. So, what I always do is constantly remind myself by listening to philosophers,
Hmm.
reading, so that I can always be self aware. But that
Hmm.
doesn't mean I don't make mistakes. No, I make mistakes, but right now, before kasi when you make mistake, you don't know that you made a mistake. Right now, I know. I catch myself.
Hmm.
Self
Wow.
awareness, the depth
Yeah.
of awareness.
Self-awareness. Correct, correct, correct. You know, you know what? My biggest challenge, bro, is this as a masculine man, you have to be inconsistent self-awareness. Na at any point of time, you may lose it. Like for example,
Yes,
you're like tired
yes,
from work, and just so many things going on in your mind, and then suddenly your wife makes noise. The
truth.
natural response is to fight back, right? But that's a masculine way to handle things, right? For women, for women, uh, that's not how they should be handled. You know,
Hmm.
that's one challenge that I have is, you know, it's too late, for me
Mm.
to salvage it. Nakuha rin, nag-react na ako. But then suddenly,
Yeah.
Yeah, I would think to myself, shit, that's not
Mali.
what I would have done. Yeah, mali yun, mali yun, mali yun.
Ako rin.
So, oh, mali yun, mali yun. Yeah, but on a positive note, you're aware ako.
Mm.
The next day it'll be fixed. Magbe-breakfast kami or something, bring her eat some nasi lemak. Nasi lemak is a dish here,
Mm.
something like that. Lastly, bro, if you could speak to men who are losing direction, na, ano yung the first step they should take to reclaim masculine strength and clarity?
Well, you need to learn. No, how do you learn? No, if you can't learn from experience, no, you need to learn from books like David Data's The Way of Superior Man. That's why we recommend this amazing book for masculine men. So David Data's The Way of Superior Man. Read it. Not only read it, but embody it.
Mm,
Bro, women are are like clouds. No, they're fluctuating.
mm,
They can change their mind all the time. So if you made a mistake with a woman, no, that doesn't mean that's permanent. That doesn't mean na hindi na siya magbabago sa paningin niya
mm,
sa'yo or something. It can change. That's why women are very happy when we don't treat them well, for example, today, but the next day we behave really well. It changes their mood. It can change. No, 'di ba? That's why it's very important to always, constantly improve and not worry about what the woman will feel today and tomorrow, because it can change, because your partner is your mirror. So whatever you
mm,
project, your masculinity, your strength, it will show in your woman. If you project weakness, it will show in your woman. No.
mm. Yeah, man, life
Yeah.
won't get easier, but
Yeah.
you know, you can get stronger. Ayun naman yun eh. You don't aspire for life to be easier, but make yourself even stronger, 'di ba? The world and your woman will keep testing you,
Yeah.
you know, not to break you, but to feel your strength, your love, and your presence, you know. So, stop waiting that someday,
Yeah.
stop hoping that she will get easier. Stop hoping that life will be easier eventually, because
Yeah.
that's never gonna happen. You must live with purpose now, diba?
That's what being a man is, bro. No, presence, direction, and love that doesn't collapse.
Yeah, and that's the first step.
Wow.
See you guys on the next one.
See you.